Told you I'd make it to showbiz. Oh, what's up, bro? Today, we're gonna show you how to put pipe on a roof. You got your wood block, my favorite method, probably because it's the heaviest. You got your wood block, you got your strap, you got your screws, take your screw gun, boom, boom, put the pipe in.
Hold it, bro. This is a tool-free zone. Get this out of here. This is a CADDY tool-free. They work really simply. All you do is locate the pipe, and you'll notice that there's actually like a little V-block to secure the pipe in place. Just drop the clamp in there, pop it down. With this version, you can add up to 2 pieces of pipe, either 1 inch or up to 2 inch. The larger ones, you can do multiples. These are all available separate. This one does up to 1 inch pipe. This one goes up to 2 inch. It's all non-metallic, so there's no rust issues. The clamps can be pulled out and reused. They don't have infinite life, so pull them out, reuse them a couple times, which is really supposed to be like permanent installation anyway. So you unless you're making an adjustment, you shouldn't have to do that.
Ricky, still too light.